Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the project so the system recognizes your widget. Create an App Widget Provider subclass and a clean layout XML for the home screen. Once done, declare a receiver in Android manifest. XML that references your provider and point it at a res/XML widgetinfo file. Make sure widgetinfo contains initial layout and update period millis values so the launcher knows how often to refresh. This setup lets Android instantiate and manage your widget lifecycle correctly. Now implement the update and interaction logic inside App Widget Provider. Override on update to build remote views, populate text/images, and attach pending intent for clicks. This is how your widget responds. Use on receive for custom intents and on enabled to start periodic work. For reliable periodic updates, schedule tasks with Work Manager or Alarm Manager depending on API level. Job Scheduler works well for background batching. Make sure to update only changed views to conserve battery and reduce IPC overhead between your finish by installing the APK and adding the widget to several launchers and screen sizes so you validate resizing and rotations. Adjust min width and min height in App Widget Provider info to control layout buckets and implement on App Widget options, change to adapt content. Test click intents, updates, and device sleep behavior. If the widget fails to appear, check Logcat for permission or inflation errors, verify the manifest receiver and metadata, and clear the launcher cache or reboot. These steps usually resolve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.